Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 182. This was the 28th of February 2023, last day of February. Did exercise in the morning, took my daughter to school, worked on books, worked on Remote Wellness Academy, worked on insurance, and I took care of some personal items yesterday as well. So that was basically it for day 182. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. My gratitude of the day goes out to people who develop software using a program just started called InVideo. I have another channel called Essential Travel Items that I am getting ready to make some of these videos, and that software is just really radically great. It helps you really develop some videos really fast. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.